Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice Support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the TN400 Portable Turbidity Meter kit by Apera Instruments. The TN400 is equipped with a built-in infrared light source using ISO 7207 compliant nephelometric method. The meter features an extra large coloured TFT display with on-screen guides to help you calibrate and take measurements. The TN400 is designed for reliable turbidity measurements from 0 to 1000 NTU in various applications, both in the field or in the lab. In the box there's an instruction manual, a rugged carry case, 3 top and bottom numbered sample vials, a cloth, a 10ml bottle of silicone oil, standard solution vials, there's 0.02, 20, 100 and 800 NTU. 4 AA batteries, a screwdriver, and the TN400 turbidity meter. Features of the meter include a sample well flip cover and dust-proof plug, the sample well, the extra large colour TFT screen, there's 5 easy to navigate buttons, there's up and down selector keys, the power key, MEAS, in measuring mode, short press the key to perform single short measurements, or long press the key to perform continuous measurements. In calibration mode, press the key to confirm the calibration. And Cal, press this to initiate or exit the calibration mode. On the base there's 4 non-slip feet and the battery compartment. To get started, unscrew and remove the 4 screws holding the battery compartment cover in place. Remove the cover, insert the batteries observing the polarity, then replace the cover and fasten the screws. Press the power button to switch on the unit. For a video demonstrating how to calibrate the TN400, or for details on how you can contact an Instrument Choice scientist for more information, see the links in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching!